On Friday morning, a thick band of fog expected to extend all the way over the coastal areas of our neighbouring country, Namibia, the northern as well as the west coast, with foggy patches in the east. But we are actually keeping a close eye on this cut-of-low weather system, expected to bring stormy conditions this weekend from Saturday over the southern coastline, spreading into the Eastern Cape and throughout Sunday over large parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Ahead of this developing cut-of-low, we're expecting an onshore flow to bring in rain for the Overberg, isolated rain for the surrounding areas as well as along the coast of the Eastern Cape. Morning drizzle along the eastern escarpment, and underneath that band of fog, some drizzle also likely over the west coast and the coastal areas of the Northern Cape, with a slight chance of a few thunderstorms developing in parts of the Karoo, the Eastern Cape, as well as KwaZulu-Natal. But a fresh to strong northeasterly wind spreading along the coast of the Eastern Cape and later KwaZulu-Natal on Friday. Windy conditions also expected from the afternoon over the interior of the Northern Cape, with a gusting north-northwesterly wind, especially in parts of the Karoo, where the Weather Service is warning against damaging winds, and this could also be dangerous for high-sided vehicles driving on the N1 route. Here in the Western Cape, lots of fog expected on Friday morning, stretching over the west coast. Some drizzle also likely, with this onshore flow bringing in lots of cloud and light rain for the Overberg, as well as parts of the southern coastline. Throughout the day, mostly cloudy skies, light rain at times, with maximum temperatures remaining in the low 20s, but extremely hot and windy here in Beaufort West as well as Graaff-Reinet, due to an area of convergence and the extreme heat. Very isolated heat-induced thunderstorms likely over parts of the Eastern Cape, but they could also quickly blow away, with a northeasterly wind blowing between Port St. John's and East London. A few isolated storms also likely later here over parts of Lesotho and near Kokstad. Otherwise, a mainly sunny and warm to very warm day for KwaZulu-Natal, but northeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong at times along the coast. Lots of cloud the morning along the eastern escarpment, with a light drizzle in Bombela. It's a mainly sunny and warm to very warm day for the Highveld. Also a cloudy start to your day, with drizzle along the escarpment of Limpopo and in parts of the Lowveld, but quickly heating up with 31 degrees in Phalaborwa, and a mainly sunny and hot day for the Bushveld. A sunny and dry day for northwest, with maximum temperatures soaring to 30 degrees, mid-30s for the west, where it's also going to be quite windy, therefore a high fire danger in place. Becoming windy the afternoon over the western interior, with gusting north-northwesterly winds, therefore the Weather Service also warning against runaway fires and foggy conditions the morning along the west coast. It's a mainly sunny and dry Friday for the Free State, windy and dusty late over the western areas. Runaway fires also a risk, with maximum temperatures soaring above 30 degrees. A mainly sunny and warm to hot day for Gauteng, with the mercury soaring to 30 degrees in Vereniging as well as Pretoria. And then into Saturday, that cut-of-low weather system expected to bring lots of rain and stormy conditions for large parts of the Karoo, the Southern Cape, and especially the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. And overnight into Sunday, the stormy conditions and showers spreading along the Wild Coast into KwaZulu-Natal, with a few isolated storms along the eastern escarpment as well as the Highveld. Sunny and hot weather returns to the west. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.